Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Here's an informative tutorial on 18 tips to code faster in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, complete with code examples where applicable. 1. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn and utilize keyboard shortcuts to navigate, edit, and manage your code efficiently. Example: to open the command palette, use Ctrl plus Shift plus P, or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac OS. 2. Multi-cursor editing. You can place multiple cursors in your code to edit several lines simultaneously. Example: hold Alt, or Option on Mac OS, and click to add cursors in different lines. You can also use Ctrl plus Alt plus down/up arrow to add cursors to the line below or above. 3. Emmet abbreviations. Use emmet for faster HTML and CSS coding. Example: type div.containerulli *5 and press Tab to expand it to a list of 5 items inside a container. 4. IntelliSense. Leverage IntelliSense for code completion and parameter info. Example: start typing a function name, and suggestions will pop up. For instance, typing console will suggest methods like log, error, etc. 5. Snippets. Create custom code snippets for repetitive code blocks. Example: in your settings.json, you can add JSON snippets, console log, prefix, clog, body, console.log, $1. Description: log to console. Now typing clog and pressing Tab will generate a console log. 6. Code formatting. Automatically format your code to maintain consistency. Example: use Shift plus Alt plus F to format the selected code or the entire file if nothing is selected. 7. Split editor. Work on multiple files side by side. Example: drag a tab to the side of the editor or use Ctrl plus / to split the editor vertically. 8. Integrated terminal. Use the integrated terminal to run commands without leaving the editor. Example: open the terminal with Ctrl plus backtick, and run commands like npm start directly. 9. Live server extension. Use the live server extension for real-time previews. Example: install the live server extension, right-click on your index.html, and select Open with Live Server to see changes instantly. 10. Source control integration. Manage your Git workflow directly from VS Code. Example: use Ctrl plus Shift plus G to open the source control panel, stage changes, and commit without leaving the editor. 11. Task runner. Automate repetitive tasks such as building or testing. Example: define tasks in tasks.json and run them using Ctrl plus Shift plus B. 12. Settings sync. Sync your settings across devices. Example: go to Settings, turn on Settings Sync to synchronize extensions, themes, and settings. 13. Extensions Marketplace. Explore the Extensions Marketplace to enhance functionality. Example: install extensions like Prettier for code formatting, ESLint for linting, and Python for Python development. 14. Live share. Collaborate with others in real time. Example: install the Live Share extension and start a session to code together with peers. 15. Zen mode. Focus on your code by hiding distractions. Example: activate Zen mode using Ctrl plus KZ to enter full screen mode with no distractions. 16. Search and replace. Use the powerful search and replace functionality. Example: press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to search across files and Ctrl plus H to replace text. 17. Debugging tools. Utilize built-in debugging tools. Example: Set breakpoints by clicking in the gutter next to line numbers and run the debugger with F5. 18 Custom key bindings. Create custom key bindings for actions you perform frequently. Example, go to File Preferences Keyboard Shortcuts and add your own shortcuts. For instance, you could bind a key to format the document. Conclusion. By implementing these 18 tips in Visual Studio Code, you can significantly improve your coding speed and efficiency. Practice using these features regularly, and you'll find yourself becoming a more proficient coder in no time. Happy coding!